Hey, maybe you've heard me talking about proximity marketing, advertising, and Genusity. Does any of this stuff even work? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this super quick video, I want to talk about Genusity. Now, if you're a subscriber of mine, you know that I'm involved with Genusity. It's one of my home businesses that I'm involved with. I'm in it heavy, and I always talk about it. Hey, if you want looking for a company that got good products and proximity marketing, blah blah blah, check out Genusity. But I wanted to actually show, because a lot of people, especially when I try to get people on my team and try to introduce people to Genusity and the products that we have, one of the first things they always say is, well, okay, I get what you're saying about proximity marketing beacons and devices, but, do they work, right? And they do, right? Now, here is one of the devices that we offer, which is it's called the BB Sport. I carry it on my keys. You could actually have this as a wristwatch too. They give you a little thing that you could put this in like a band. This is like one of 5 or 6 products that we have. This right here, it actually sends off a transmitter, like advertising thing, 150 feet radius from this. All right. Not only that, it actually shoots out my ad that I create, my back office. It shoots it out 50-mile radius from where I'm at right now. I'm at home right now, but as we speak, my ad is being, shot out 50-mile radius of from where I'm at right now, or wherever this thing is. All right. So, guys, when it comes to, the Genusity home business part of it, once you become an associate, you actually be able to promote these, sell these, and earn residual income from selling these, as well as earning a really nice, upfront commission for each one of these that you sell. Ideally, what makes these cool is you can sell these, promote these to anyone who needs advertisement. Anyone. So it don't matter if you're a baker, car salesman, realtor, internet marketer, network marketer, you're a musician. It doesn't matter. A personal trainer, you should have one of these, because Genusity guarantees views to your ads. All right. Now I want to show this to you real quick. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. You can see right here, 617 times my ad has been shown on people's tablets, smartphones, iPhones, desktop, laptops. Okay, 617 times, and I got 18 clicks to my ads. 18 clicks people saw on a device and was like, interesting. They clicked on it. Did I get a conversion off of it? No, I didn't yet. Not off this campaign. I didn't, right? But this shows that people are seeing my ad. On my particular ad, using this beacon, I'm advertising CBD products. All right, the black gold nano patch. Also, you can promote that as a Genusity associate, if you're into the CBD thing. But yeah, I was really excited to see this, guys. It really works. And like everybody involved with the company, they try to stress, like, it's just a form of advertisement, right? For $15 a month, you are constantly getting your ad shown, right? So, like I said, a lot of people are like, well, does this convert? Does this work? Like, do your commercial work? You know what I'm saying? That's why I tell, like business owners, like, you'll spend, $5,000 in a month for a billboard or a commercial. Okay, well, how did that convert? You know what I mean? Like, at least with these, you can see how many times your ad's been shown. With billboards, you can't see how many cars drove by and actually looked up. You can't do that. You can actually see how many times your ad was clicked on, and you can tweak your ad and so on and so on. So, I said it's going to be a super quick video. I guess not. I'm going to wrap this up. But guys, you see it works. It's a great form of advertising. Like I said, if you have any sort of business or need some marketing done, grab you a device. It can only help your business. It can't hurt your business, right? So if you want to check out these products, if you want to get more information about Genusity, link in the description of this video. And a lot of people, they want someone to talk to about this. They don't want to click on the website. So if that's you, my phone number is also in the description of this video. Shoot me a text or a call and I will get back to you and I'll hook you up. I have you good to go. All right. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.